Yeah, let's try to help someone. If they're saying sketch the graph of y equals to 2 cos of x, right? So this y equals to 2 cos of x, it comes from the graph y it is equals to cos of x. So this is the mother graph. The amplitude is 1, but here the amplitude is 2. Okay, so the simple thing that we can do, and then we have been told that x is greater or equals to 0 degrees or less or 360 degrees. These are our restrictions. Okay, so now to draw a graph, let's firstly draw the table. So this 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. And we are using the restrictions that we are given. Okay, so we're gonna have 2 rows here for cos x and 2 cos of x. The values of y for the mother graph, which is cos x, cos 0 degrees, it's 1. Cos 90 degrees, it's 0. Cos 180 degrees, -1. Cos 270 is 0. Cos 360, it's 1. So now when you look for the y values of 2 cos x, you're going to multiply the amplitude by the value of y from the mother graph. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times -1 is -2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. So these are the values of y that you're going to use whenever you're drawing your graph. Okay, so this will be a graph restricted from 0 degrees, 90, 180, 270, and 360. Okay, so now what you can do is to plot 0 to 2. So it's basically 1 and 2, 1 and -2. So our 2 is right here. 90 and 0, our 0 is right here. 180 and -2, it's right here. 270 and 0 is right here. 360 and 2, it's somewhere here. So now you can just join these points. Okay, so this will be a graph. This will be a graph of the graph of y equals to 2 cos of x. This is how you can draw the graph. Okay, so now this was number 1. Number 2, if ever they're saying that I want the values of x if y it is equals to -1, if y is equals to -1, and then we know from the given graph that this is y is equals to 2 cos of x. So where there is y, you replace by -1. -1 is equals to 2 cos x divided by 2 both sides. Okay, so our cos x it is equals to -half, right? And then now you can look for the reference angle. The reference angle in this case, it will be our reference angle, it will be equals to second function or arc cos half. You punch without the negative, right? Use your calculator. When you use your calculator to punch here, just forget about this negative whenever you're looking for the reference angle. So this will be 60 degrees. Okay, from 60 degrees now, since the value of cos x it's negative here, you go and check where cos is negative from the quadrants. Okay, from the quadrants, cos is only negative in the second quadrant and the third quadrant, but cos is positive in the first and the fourth. Okay, so now you're gonna use these 2 quadrants. So this is 180 minus and this is 180 plus, because here it's 180. So when we move clockwise we subtract, anti-clockwise we add. Okay, so now we are going to use to say x it is equals to the reference angle, or let me just 180 minus what? Minus the reference angle, and then we're getting what? 120 degrees. Or x it can be also 180 plus what? The reference angle 60 degrees, which is equals to 240 degrees. Therefore you are done. So these are the x values if y it is equals to -1. So these are the x values we're looking for. Thank you very much.